something? Do you have?
No, she does that a lot.
I know. That's why I'm taking a video of it, because I can never explain it. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, Coco Puff. Come here. Come on. She's done it again. She's never done it this many times in a row. Coco. I have to take her to the vet. This is awful. It's like she's having trouble breathing and trying to cough something up. Or come here, Pepper. Come here.
Her nose.
Is it? It's not her nose, is it? I can't.
It looks like her nose because it doesn't seem like her mouth is opening. Oh,
I know, but the noise isn't coming from her nose. See, it's like coming from her chest.
Mouth too. I'm probably trying to cough some up. But dogs don't cough.
Well.
Oh, you okay?
She's still doing it.
Oh, you gotta take her to the vet.
Baby. It's coming from her throat. I can feel it.
It's coming down here too. Open her mouth.
Okay, alright. I'm going to turn this off.